have arrived, and I've got the Suitcase camera on for you guys. I tell you what, it's really, really busy. Very, very busy. So time is 12:15. Our flight to Manchester now is at 2 p.m. Let's see what we can see. So we've got like a cafe, bar here.
I'm sort of like, yeah.
Wow, look at all the suitcases. Free refills, £3.50. Like a traffic jam, everyone's coming from everywhere. Wow, boots. And wow, look at all the crowds of people this way. Virgin staff on the left-hand side, heading to Virgin. Rituals, emotional. There's a pilot here. He's getting his last bit of tech before boards the plane. British Airways girl there. And we've got a shop called Boss. Yeah, this is a really cool idea. Suitcase cam. Taking you through Terminal 5. Paul Smith on the right there. Wow, this place is busy. Worlds of whiskies over there. Duty free. It's amazing. Wonder where all these people are going to. All around the world. Time to do a 360. Let's do a quick 360. 12:59 actually is the time now. Just checking the time of the flight for Manchester. Looking at Manchester now. 14:40, yeah. Manchester will depart A gate. Everybody's in a rush. Let's just switch it around a little bit, and you can now probably see behind us.
In the interest of safety, parents are advised not to allow their children to play in the escalators and other walkways.
Okay, let's face forward again. Watches of Switzerland. Deal. Beautiful shop. Really nice windows. Look at that. Prada coming up to next. Hermes. That's pretty good. Tiffany and Co. There's all high-end shops here at Terminal 5. Pilots even there. Wow. Just love the airport. Having a wander around. Look at this, Gucci. Get yourself a nice handbag before departing there. Burberry. Wow, just look at the shops in there, Burberry. Beautiful. Rolex. Little people mover for the disabled there. So guys, if you've enjoyed the Suitcase cam, give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, come on. WH Smith gives you a whole new feel of the airport.